So the next topic, national income and erosion of natural resources. Erosion of natural resources or otherwise exploitation of natural resources or depletion of natural resources. How the national income leads to or causes for the erosion of natural resources. So for achieving of higher growth of GDP or higher percentage of GDP, we have to take larger amount of natural resources which are involving in the production process or engaging in the manufacturing activities or industrial activities. The result will be damaging of natural resources or depletion of natural resources or exploitation of natural resources will be existed or existing. A country which want to achieve the higher growth of GDP by way of a continuous manufacturing process, which are involving in the larger amount of natural resources, which are automatically getting damaged or depleted or exploited. So the natural resources, that name itself, it cannot be reproduced or renewed. Once exhausted means it will be automatically exhausted. It cannot be renewed. So the higher growth of GDP, a reduction of the potential growth for future, reducing for the potential for future growth of country or future activities. So while assessing the national income, the loss of natural resources should be subtracted from the calculation of national income. So a country which want to increase in the higher amount of GDP, it's involving in the industrial activities, automatically the natural resources will be get damaged or depleted or exploited. So this is the relationship between the national income and the erosion of natural resources. Next one, national income versus US dollar. So while India's national income expressed in terms of or measuring the national income in terms of US dollar, it looks very low level of income. It looks like a very low level. And at the same time, if we take the triple P theory method, that is purchasing power parity method adopted, it looks some for better national income, better amount of national income. So instead of using of the US dollar for calculation of national income or expressed in terms of US dollar, we have to follow the triple P theory method, purchasing power parity theory method. Adopted means it looks a far better of national income. Then national income and the social environmental cost. National income versus social environmental cost. While providing of economic goods and services, we take into account many environmental bads and social bads are also generated. While we want to provide the economic goods at a higher manner, there will be a social chances for getting of social bads or environmental bads also generated. We take into account these environmental social bads while the calculation of the national income. So not only generation of increasing of GDP while calculation of national income, we take into account social bads or environmental bads which are all generated during the provisions of economic growth, economic goods. So while providing of economic goods to the society for the economic welfare or the benefit of the society, simultaneously there are some environmental and social bads also generated. Social bads. So there must be taken into account the social environmental bads by calculation of national income. So with the end of this unit, national income. So after ending of this national income chapter 2, so you should be thorough in the following areas, namely meaning of national income, definition of national income, basic concepts of national income, importance of the calculation of national income, and what are the difficulties facing by the government while measuring of national income. Then what are the methods of calculation of income used by the government. Then national income and the social accounting, national income and various sectors, national income and economic welfare, national income and erosion of natural resources, national income versus or expressed in terms of US dollar, and national income and social environmental cost. So after ending of this lesson, you should be thorough in the following points or following headings. So this is the synopsis of lesson 2, I mean chapter 2, national income. So with the end of the chapter 2, national income.